guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I'd love to have you. And if you enjoy this video at any point, please smash the like button and leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video. Alright, so today is shoot day, photo shoot day. Yeah, one of the days I'll be shooting my maternity pictures. Yes, so we are headed to the location now, and I just thought to bring you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like the pictures, because I know I will like them. I'm going to leave the details of the photographer and everything in the description, so please check that out, and I'll share some of the pictures as well when they are ready. Yeah, let's go.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Step on us. End us, we are your sass. Choke us. We are your stripper. That went from 0 to 100 real quick.
I'm not sure what I'm doing, babe.
Don't worry, do it. Continue. That's why. Do can. What let me say to you? I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. That's it, look at smile.
Alright guys, so yeah, I just finished the first one, and it's actually, this is kind of like a casual shoot, to be honest. Nothing serious, nothing dramatic. I still have some like planned pictures for next month or so this is like really casual shoot, Ankara inspired, and yeah, all that good stuff. So I'm going to where we'll take this one. I'm wearing this short dress from St. Agnes, and I'll be pairing it up with my denim shoes and denim purse. Yes, so yeah, I'll show you guys pictures, and you see a clip after now, and then I'll share the pictures with you.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said?
Hey, good girl, good girl, good girl. Yeah.
For every passing moment left, I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel to light the sky along the way.
Very low.
I need an angel, angel.
Alexi. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just finished shooting. Yeah, so hopefully the pictures come out really nice. If they do, you'll see them after this clip. If they don't, well, enjoy. If they don't, they will see the pictures after that. Oh my god. But yeah, I just finished day one. As the spirit leads, we continue to shoot. Hi guys, so is the see Ronka is here and she's a mess and she's looking for the person that will be mess with her. I refuse to be a mess. So it's another day of shoot. Yeah, so today we are doing maybe 3 looks or so. So guys, the thing is that because of COVID and because I usually work from home, I rarely take pregnancy pictures. I don't have any pictures, so I brought a lot of home regular outfits to just take pictures and just look good, just have those memories of myself being pregnant. So yeah, that's why I have different days. And of course my husband is a photographer, so why not, if not, so yeah, so today is another shoot day. I just finished making up for Rebecca. Rebecca is my beautiful model. Funny story is I actually forgot, I don't know if it's pregnancy brain, but I packed everything I needed in 2 bags, makeup bags, and I packed what I need for my own makeup in 1 makeup bag. So only for me to get here and then realize that I didn't bring everything. And most of the things that I actually needed for this look were in that other one that I left at home. But my mother was even maybe let me go and bring it for you, but I was no, don't worry, a makeup artist has to be able to improvise. So luckily I was able to improvise. I was able to do the look, at least not as beautiful as I would have wanted it, but it still works. And I'm happy that I was able to provide, because I was just thinking if I was on set, we have to bring it. So yeah, I did it and everybody likes it. I like it, I love it. So yeah, so my husband is shooting Rebecca at the moment. Once he's done, I'll start my maternity shoot. And yeah, so I'm going to just insert the clips. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Yonka is calling me, and as always she's rude, but what can we do? Talk to you guys later. I like it. Yes, that's my husband working, and this is Rebecca, my ever gorgeous model, and this is this one. Okay, I'm going to show your mother this thing.
Yeah, I'm this one.
This is okay.
That's what the other day that you were trying to tell me.
Guys,
this
this lady, I can't put her to words. She's just amazing. So this is Roke. For those that are new on my channel, this is amazing Roke. We have a nickname for her, but I won't disgrace her on YouTube.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost 1,000,000 times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give
Hi guys. Okay, so it's another day. Today is another shoot day. Actually, the last shoot day. Like, tired already. It's currently past 9. I woke up around 5. Because I also have another client I'll be making up today. And then after that, I will do my own pregnancy shoot. So I had to wake up early to get my makeup done, and get ready. I'll be leaving the house now. I just thought to start today's vlog. Yeah, so yeah, I'm all dressed up. This is my warmer. I'm just going to put on my what's it called, my hoodie, my husband's hoodie, and be on my way. Yeah, I already did my makeup. I don't know, last thing I want to do right now is do my makeup, to be honest, but at least I was able to put something up. I'll do my lips once I get to the studio and I'm ready to shoot. Yeah, that's it. Bump. Yeah, so this is what my bump is looking like. 9 months pregnant. Yeah, that's me, 9 months pregnant. But yeah, I'm in my baby's room. I still have a lot of things I've not unpacked. I'll be unpacked or unwrapped or something, and that's because they're going to take a bit of space, so I don't want to remove them from the cartons until I'm ready to use them, which will be like in a week or so, by God's grace. But yeah, this is what we're looking like, and I'll be going on now, so see you guys at the studio. Ciao.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic,
Hi guys, so we are back home, and yeah, the shoot went really well. I was so happy. Yeah, I've shared pictures, or after this, yeah, I've shared pictures, so I hope you guys like the pictures. I liked them. They came out really nice, and like I said, I think I mentioned in one of the clips I made that you guys watched earlier, that the reason why I decided to do like different kind of shoots was because I didn't get to really go out this pregnancy period because of COVID. I haven't taken my vaccine till now. Because this is my first time of getting pregnant, I wasn't sure how I would react to the vaccine, and I wasn't sure how my body would react to pregnancy, basically. So I wanted to, I didn't want a situation where something would happen to me and I wouldn't be sure if it was pregnancy or if it was, the vaccine I was reacting to. So basically, which is the reason why I decided that once I deliver, I put to bed, that's when I would take the vaccine, basically. Sorry for that shit. That's when I would take the vaccine. So that was why I didn't take the vaccine. So because of that, I had to let me put on the light. It looks dark. Yeah, so because of that, I had to consciously stay indoors, not go out except it is necessary. So most of the times I went out were for my appointments, for my baby shower, for like really important stuff. So I didn't really go out throughout my pregnancy. And because of that, I didn't have, these random pictures that you just take because maybe you're going to work or you're going to a mall or something. I didn't have any of those pictures. I really wanted like casual pictures as well. So that's why I decided to break my maternity shot into different months so that it's not too overwhelming, basically. So yeah, so that was why. And also because of course my husband was one that shot the video, the pictures. Like, he was one that took the pictures, so why not if not? But yeah, I didn't want it to be too overwhelming and all. That was why I decided to like split them into different times, so that everything will just go smoothly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys love the looks. Yeah, I like each and every one of them and I hope you guys did as well. We had fun. Thanks to everyone, Ronke, Dami, everyone that made it possible. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to me. If you are not yet subscribed, I would like to have you join the gang. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.